Hi everyone, we're going to have a look at this number sentence now. Can you read it for me? It says 8, add, well done, 8, add 6 equals, 8 add 6 equals. Well, I know that I can't do that on my fingers because I don't have enough fingers. So we need to think about how else we can work out that number sentence. So I don't know if you can see behind me. Can you see my big number line? It's not the best, but I'm sure it's going to work for us. So just like you remember that we've done this before, the biggest number is already the first number in the number sentence. So the biggest number is 8. Well done. The biggest number is 8. So if I'm going to use my number line to work out my number sentence, 8 add 6, where do I need to start? Yep, I need to start at 8, don't I? So I'm going to find 8 on my number line. Okay, it's here. So let's just push that down. I'm going to start at 8. I'm not going to draw my number line, but you can see I've done a dot above 8. And this number sentence is an adding number sentence. So when we add, do we go forwards? Do we go forwards and bigger, or do we go backwards down to 0? Well done, we go forwards, don't we? We jump up to the big numbers and forwards when we add, because when we add, we have more. So let's go up the number line. And how many jumps are we doing? Yes, we're doing 6 jumps. Are you ready to count with me? So I've started on number 8, and I'm going to do 6 jumps. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what number has Miss Rasho landed on? 14. Can you see that? I started on 8. It's adding, so I've gone forwards towards 20, and I've added my 6. I've done 6 jumps and I landed on 14. So 8 add 6 equals 14. Now I'm sure you all remember how to do these addition number sentences, the adding number sentences. But I'm going to remind you of another way we can work these out. So some of you have done this before. So when we have an addition number sentence like this, another way we can do it is by putting the big number. So you've already told me what the big number is in this number sentence. It's 8. Yep. So we're going to put the big number in our head, and then we're going to count on 6. So we're going to start at 8 and we're going to count on 6 and see what number we land on. Okay, so watch me. So I'm going to put 8 in my head. Okay, lock it in, 8. Right, I've got it, 8. And now I'm going to hold up 6 fingers. Okay, so I've got 8 in my head and I'm ready to add my 6. Can you see that? I need to add the 6. So 8 in my head, 8, ready, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Did you see what I did there? I wasn't sure quite where to tap them. I used my fingers to add my 6 because I'm holding up 6 fingers. So I've got 8 in my head, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what have I counted up to? 14. Did you hear that? Let me show you one more time. So 8, big number in my head, 8. Get my 6 fingers up because I'm adding 6. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That was very dramatic of me. 14! So I get the same answer doing it by putting the big number in my head and counting on using my 6 fingers to help me. I hope that makes sense. I'd like you to have a go now on the game that I've asked you to play. So see if you can do it. Have a go.